60, 70, 80, 90, and 100, and 110.
Okay, so today we are starting with an inquiry game. Say inquiry.
Inquiry.
Say inquiry.
Inquiry.
Who sees Math Cat on this page right now? Okay, so I already see some people reading it already. That's okay. So Math Cat is saying, Math Cat is watching.
You.
Good, Math Cat is watching.
You.
Who will work together?
Perfectly.
So we're looking for someone who's being an inclusive champion today, right?
Yes.
Who in here is working
Together.
who wants one of our books for today?
The whole class.
The whole class, that's right. Okay, so we have a lot of different books on all kinds of different levels. Going to be giving out as prizes. Yes, I know you guys want these books. Okay, so you need to think critically. I want one person to read the riddle in each group out loud. Then you're going to talk about how you're going to solve it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, you have 2 minutes. Ready, set,
Go.
go. Who's reading it out loud here? Okay, he is. Good, Glenn. Not already on the right track. I'm not. You keep going with that idea. Write some down. Show me work. What I'm looking for is stuff that makes sense. Glenn, you can do it on that paper. I see Levensky and Leon doing things that make sense. Kayla, what does this say? Read this to me. Talk to each other. So what do you do?
We just don't count samples.
So how do you solve this, Kayla? This is a real life party. We want to have a vegetable party. Let's go. Real life problem. Yeah, we've done it twice already. Who has an answer? I see a lot of people talking about it. Start writing things down. I want to see if you can get to an answer and be able to explain why. There's a couple of different possible answers. You can show math, you can write right there, you can do it, draw pictures, whatever you want. Okay, look around. How many do you see?
13.
Off of the desk. Look around. Yeah.
18 students.
18, okay, go ahead.
Donovan, Chris.
Go ahead. So go ahead. How do you solve it then? About another minute, let's go. I should see writing, I should see talking. What makes sense? You're on the right track. Kayla, how do you solve this problem? These students are here. How many students is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have, look at me. How many people are in your family? 5? 10. Say there's 5, right? You're not going to eat any vegetables at dinner. How many people eat vegetables? 5 minus, right? So what do you do with this? They don't want it. So how many kids in your class altogether? Well, look around, Kayla. How could you do it? You know how many kids are in our class, and you can count. Look around, count. Who's here?
I counted the desk. 15 students.
Tamarion's here.
15 students.
Okay, come and Glenn, can you come with you since you did such a good job? Okay, let's go. Okay. Shh. So let me see who's ready. I want him to sit right next to you, Glenn, because you're doing a great job. And the papers to Marianne are right here on the side. Here. Okay? Levetsky, hand him this. Put your feet this way. I know you're talking to them. So if Sandra, Xavier, Tamarian, and Kashira are the only students in the class that want to eat a sandwich instead of having a vegetable party, how many students want to have a vegetable party? What are you using to apply to this? Mathematics, yeah. Subtraction. Addition, possibly. That's also could be a way to do it. Glenn, what did you say? But you use the number that start. You use a specific vocabulary that's helpful. It starts with a W. Part?
Whole.
Yes. He used part whole when he was talking to Maurice and Levensky about it, correct? Okay, so if you have 4 students that want to eat a sandwich instead of have a vegetable party, how many want to have a vegetable party? That means everyone else. Yes. So if they don't want to have vegetables, what do we need to do? Subtract, take them out. Yes, right? Or you could also add. You could have 4 in your head and you could say, okay, I know there's 22 students normally in the class, right?
Yes.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? You could add up to it. Here's what I'm going to do. Here's the question. I heard 2 different things. Both make sense, okay? Some of these students are not here today. Also, we have 2 different wholes. What is the whole for the students that are here today?
18.
Count with me. 2, 4,
6, 8, 10, 12, 14.
One more. 14 and one more. 15 students are here today. So I heard some.
I'm sorry.
Yes, yeah. Okay, 16. So we'll do 16. Sorry guys, you know how this board is made. Or, or, remember how we talked about before? I heard someone saying 22. Would that be a reasonable answer?
No.
I think it would be. Can someone say why?
Why?
Mariah. That's not why. Why would 22 though be a reasonable answer for the whole number of students? Glenn. All 2 when everyone is present. So does that make sense?
Yes.
So that's what I said. If you would have told me, I'm going to do it over here, guys, so you can see it. 16. If you would have told me 16, the part that we know is what? Let me see who's writing this down on their paper. 16, 4, and then I'm going to use B for vegetables, right?
Yes.
Okay? How do we find B? 16 minus 4 is 12. Okay? 15, 14, 13, 12. If you also would have told me 22, depending on the scenario, 22 minus 4, 21, 20, 19, 18. Excellent, Leon. Good job. Good messing up. Okay? 18. Either of these answers are reasonable depending on which whole you were talking about, right? The whole is either 16 if you're talking about the students who are here too, or the students who are here all too in the class normally, right? Glenn, do you want to pick a book right now? Okay, you're doing a great job, Levensky. You're going to be the next one. Okay, Glenn, go pick a book quickly and come sit. Good job. Everyone say good job, Glenn.
Good job, Glenn.
Okay, look at number 2. Okay, this is like very, very similar, but it's a little bit.
Yes.
Are you ready to try it?
Yes.
Okay, ready, set, go. Try it. Go, go, go. Glenn, I like that energy and attitude. Tamarion, do you want to work with Glenn? You want to move your desk over so you can talk to Glenn? Yeah? Good job, Kayla. Let's start right here. How many people is that? 4, right? Still want to eat instead of having a vegetable party. Keep reading.
Jayla wants to have a
Jayla.
So 18 minus 3. 18 minus 3.
You understand that word? Maureen?
18 minus 3. 15.
Oh, chaos. That means like craziness. Maurice, Maurice. Keep it up. Talk to them. Let's go. So, talk to them and see what they think. If you have, no, I'm on this problem. So we're taking these 4 away again. What do you think we're doing with pretzel kits? There's 3 pretzel kits now that don't want to have a vegetable party. What do you think we're doing with them? Yes. So start drawing a model of what you think is the right answer. I want to see. Down here. Start drawing. Maurice, better. Glenn, good job involving him. Okay, I see Evans is starting to write. You have about 30 more seconds. Huh? No. Hold on.
That's
So the what? No.
It's like 18 takes away
11
3.
11 students.
50.
11 students.
Okay, all right, hold on. Okay. Okay, smiling face. Good job. Right. Okay, what was the hole that you chose? Did you choose 22 or did you choose 16?
18.
Okay. A lot of those make sense, okay? So I'm going to choose to use, how many kids are here today? Which is 16. All right, so we're going to do a fire drill right now. Let's go. Guys, you're doing great. What? No, it's a fire drill. Leon, stop right there. We'll just start from there. We'll just start from the beginning of that explanation. Okay. Go ahead.